My name's George Pomfret. I'm the franchise recruitment manager at the Wheels Specialist. Yeah, so today is our annual conference. We've got all of our 25 plus franchisees here today, and it's all about celebrating, first of all, bringing our franchisees together, celebrating the year that we've had as a network, which again has been a record-breaking year, so really happy about that. But most importantly, it's about getting the franchisees together, getting them socialising, getting them talking about best practice and having a good evening.
It's been the best move we could have made in life, really. Absolutely. Like we've just said, it has given us the good balance between home and work.
Initially, it is long hours and it is hard work, and you've really got to be committed to what you believe in and the product you're giving to the customer and the work you're doing in the brand. The initial training was, well, it started off on the computer really, didn't it, and the CRM system.
So yeah, very thorough, but making sure that when you actually opened your branch that you were able to offer that 5-star service right from the offset.
Well, my background was within the motor industry, so there seemed to be some sense, if you will, of stopping in that similar marketplace where I knew a lot of the players and I knew a lot about the functions and the various opportunities within the motoring sector here.
The support now from head office is second to none. They can answer everything from sales and marketing through to technical support. Not that we need any at this sort of stage in our ownership, but it's there if we need it.
Joining any franchise, especially if you're starting a new business, is beneficial because franchises are viewed more favourably from lending, from finance, because the finance houses can go and look at the performance of other similar businesses. Yeah, the initial training was excellent. We did our week's CRM training in the head office, but as it's grown over the years, yeah, the process has been developed heavily. I think the biggest change is adding in new equipment, which allows you to process more volume.